PowerHouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
I like high-tech stuff like the next person, but when you can save energy and money, I'm definitely interested. That's why the energy management system caught my eye. It's a smart system that controls and balances the energy used throughout your home. They have one here at the Wisconsin Trend Home. Let's check it out. Hi, Matt. This is Matt Culver from Accelerated Automation. Matt, this is impressive. This is really cool. I like this. And I'm looking at this control panel, and explain what this does.
Well, the control panel we have here is a window into the system that shows you real time what your power usage is. It also shows you your history, so you can compare and see if there's been any changes and make adjustments. Like right now, if I want to, I could dim or sweep the lights off on the whole level, and in a few seconds it'll actually update the power real time, how much you're saving.
That is cool. And again, as I look on here, you've got energy strategies. You did the sweep off, you can dim the lights, but you can control so many things from right here from this system.
Yes, yep. Anywhere from shades, you can look at cameras, temperature setbacks, and then we do have light and motion sensors that can override and control the system too, or sweep the lights off when no one's in the room.
Now, this is all tied to a system, and how does that work, or who controls that?
We have a sensor and energy management meter in the load center downstairs, and we have an automation controller that collects all that data and works with this system to control the lights. This really just gives you the feedback. It can control the lights also, but it gives you the feedback of what's going on, and then keypads such as this actually control the load similar to switches.
Okay.
But the nice things with these is you can control any load in the house with any button.
Now, and this also can be controlled by a cell phone or another laptop?
Yeah, everything in here is web enabled, so it sits on a local network in the house, and with secure access from the internet, you can control everything. It'll pull up as a web page. It'll show you the load levels, the status of different variables, and anything you really want to know about the house, the temperature. So yeah, you can do it pretty easy.
Now, some of our viewers out there may be a little bit concerned, wow, this is way high tech, but you're saying it's very user-friendly.
Very user-friendly. We program a lot of the things behind the scenes. So now, now everything's so much above what's really happening. So even when we hit like a button like dim lights, which dims the lights on this whole floor, in the background there's at least 20 different tasks going on. So a lot of the work is done on the back end, so you don't really need to know or to deal with it. Same thing with these buttons too. It shuts off the rooms and takes care of everything for you.
And Matt, repairs, don't need to really worry about that. It's easily correctable?
Once it's installed, it's very easy to repair. The software, it hooks up to the internet. I can program it all through the internet and work with the homeowner to change the things that they would like. The hardware is very reliable, and so that really isn't an issue too much except for lightning or something like that. But it's very easy to get to.
PowerHouse viewers are always interested in the cost. Now, the Wisconsin Trend Home here, I think, is 2,600 square feet. Or what's the cost for this system for that size or house? Or what do you?
Well, this specific system, the energy management part of it is about $6,500. That gets you the meter and the data. And then above and beyond that, it depends on what type of loads you need to control and how many you have. So this house, we're controlling 32 loads, and this house is about 15,000. It has 4 modules in the basement and an infusion controller. But a typical house, can range anywhere from 8 to on up.
But again, there's sizable savings of energy and dollars through this system, and especially when you talk about lighting, right?
Yeah, the lighting, just dimming the lights and using occupancy sensing can save 20 to 40% off your power bill, which on an average size house like this is anywhere from $40 to $80 per month, or $480 and $960 per year. So significant.
It's coming. It's out there for people to take advantage of, right? Thanks, Matt. And to learn more about automated management systems, go to our website at PowerHouseTV.com.
Alliant Energy.